In this quick video, I'm going to show you how we can add checkboxes inside Notion. So this is really useful. Let's say you have some task list and you want to basically add checks to each task when the task is done. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can do this. And firstly, we want to create a table view. So the table with the database, all right. And from here in the name, you can type, let's say this is going to be our tasks column, where we are going to add names of the each task. So let's say first one can be clean house, second one, I don't know, clean dishes. And now to add checkboxes to those tasks, we can click on add property. And from here, simply search for checkbox. And this is it. So you just have to click on it and it's going to add checkbox to each task. So now when the cleaning of the house is done or finished, you can check it and it's going to be checked. And now if you add new page, it's going to also add a new checkbox for each row. So if you want to turn this off, you just have to click on it and delete property and it's going to delete. So this was a quick video how you can add checkboxes inside Notion. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.